On this video, I'll be showing you how you can start creating a faceless YouTube account, how you can start generating your own income by yourself without showing your face on YouTube. Thousands of people have been doing this and they have been making cool money with it. So the first step and the first thing I'm going to show you right now is how to create a movie using AI. All right, so let's go.
Western movie like this.
This is it, boys. We're making history tonight.
Everybody down on the floor.
This is a robbery.
All units, robbery in progress.
We have you surrounded. Put your weapons down.
You enjoyed the video? So what do you think about the video? Let me see your comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, subscribe. At least me say don't try for you. Oh yeah, subscribe. For us to proceed with this AI movie making, we are going to need a script, and to do that we are going to visit a website called Gravity Writes. So let's go to our Chrome. So here type Gravity Writes, click on start writing for free. All right, so here you are going to pick the filmmaking tools. All right, movies. All right, so here you are going to type in your idea. All right, so click on create content. So this AI is going to generate all the scripts we need to proceed with this movie. All right. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to make use of another AI tools to generate all the whole image needed for this movie project. All right, so the next tools we are going to use now is called Midjourney. All right, search for Midjourney, click enter, look for sign up because you don't have an account yet. So go down, look for sign up. So I'll click on sign in right now. All right. Then let's go back to this place. Copy our scripts. Make sure you keep this script somewhere. All right. Then go to AI image generation. Then enter the kind of movie you want to do. All right. The description of the movie. Paste the script there. So it will generate everything. All right, the kind of image that you want, actions. So we are going to copy one here and go back to Midjourney. So I'm going to paste this script here. All right, so I click enter. So it's going to help you generate image that match your action film or whatever movie you want. All right, so you can see now. You can see. So download all the images to your computer or to your phone. Download everything, all the image you need. All right, you do the same thing for the other scenes. All right, you download and keep doing the same thing for the other scenes because this script now will generate everything for you. You see. So the next tools I'm going to use right now is called runwaymi.com. All right, so visit Runway, try Runway for free, click on it. All right, set up an account. All right, so set up an account here. All right, so this particular place is going to convert our images to movie. All right, it's going to convert all the images to movie. So upload them one after the other, not at once. Don't make a mistake. Upload them one after the other. All right, so once you're done uploading them, click on generate. Give it a minute. So if you click on play right now, can you see? So there is a motion on this image now. All right, so this AI turn all your images to movie for you. All right, so do this to all the images you have and download them back to your computer. So after that, then we can proceed. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's do this to all. All right, so let me make it faster. Make sure you do it to all the images. All right, everything. So we have all the old image now. We have them converted to a movie now. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to play them. All right, let's play them one after the other. Or I could just play one. All right, so you see, can you see now? Good, good. This is beautiful. All right, so the next tools we are going to use now is called 11lab.io. All right, so let's go. So we are going to use these tools to generate voice. All right, we are going to use it to generate voice for each of the scenes. All right, so sign up, choose the character you want.
Allow the world to live as it chooses. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
So once you're done, paste the script here. All right, paste it inside. Then click on generate. Then download the voice. So we are going to make use of another tools, and so the name of the tools is lalamu.studio.com. All right, so this is it. It will help the images to move. So we are going to add our voice here and the image here. All right, that is the video we create. All right, so it's an AI tool. So we are going to click on generate.
This is it, boys. We're making history tonight.
All right, so the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to download this to our computer. So let's download. All right, so the next tools now is going to be Clipchamp for video editing. So if you have other video editing, you can use it. So click on sign up, drag the video inside. All right, so all those video, drag it inside. All right, so the next thing we are going to do here, you can see the video. So all we just need here is arrange the video one after the other by joining them together. So if you have any other editing video app, you can use it. All right, so I'm going to add a music here. All right, I'm going to download the music inside. All right, let me play you some so you could see. So once you like any of the sound, download it to your system and add it to the video. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to drag it and drop it here. All right. So we are done. Our movie is now ready. All right. So the next thing, download it to your computer. All right. So we have our movie now. So let's play it.
This is it, boys. We're making history tonight.
Everybody down on the floor.
This is a robbery.
So we are done with our video. So the next thing we are going to do, let's design a thumbnail like this. All right, a beautiful thumbnail that will attract people. And to do that, we are going to make use of Canva. And to do that, visit www.canva.com to design a beautiful thumbnail to attract viewer. Then after that, go to your YouTube channel, click on upload your video, give it a good title, then upload the thumbnail you design using Canva, then sit back, share it to all your social media handles and see how the view counts. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video like this.